You are about to embark on a journey into the past. During this program, we'll be going back in time to discover our early fascinations with gems and crystals. We will look at some of the oldest known jewelry found and reveal the highly guarded ancient art of gem cutting. We'll explore our early beliefs about the mystical power of gemstones and the progression that has since brought the gemstone and jewelry industry where it is today, a high-powered and crucially important factor in the world's economy.
The first step before faceting a stone is examining the rough and preparing the stone to be cut. Good pen light is a very, very handy tool for this job. What you're looking for inside the stone are any bubbles, cracks, inclusions, dark spots. The shape of the rough stone should dictate what type of cut you're going to do.
The faceting of a gem.
There are specific ways a stone must be cut to produce a brilliant gem. The facets are arranged and cut at angles to let light into the stone and return as much light as possible back out through the crown facets, dispersing and creating a brilliant gem. The refractive index of a stone is considered to determine the very best angle to use. The rough you start with should be clean, bright, and free of major inclusions. Knowing the clarity category the stone falls into will help you decide what could be left in the stone. Place flaws that you're leaving in under the lower crown facets for the least visibility. Tourmaline, sapphire, and even amethyst have color issues, like zoning or dense spots, and pleochroism. Correct orientation when cutting a stone like this is essential to get the desired results.
And then we will take the flat spot that we ground and place it, whoa, slippery, directly on top of that stick. And at this point we're centering it by eye the best we can. When we actually put it in the facet machine and start cutting it, we'll be able to tell how closely centered we actually got it. And we can also move it at that point if we're not centered. I'm going to turn the machine on and put the water onto the lap, which is very important that you use water anytime you're grinding. It reduces friction and heat on the stone and keeps the cutting lap clean. Do you see how these two mains come together at the girdle edge at the same height? There's the same amount of distance left for the crown. That's the beauty of the pressure gauge. This will ensure that we have an accurate, symmetrically cut stone. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next main. Okay, we're about to cut our last facet. This is the last facet on the main pavilion. This will cut fairly fast because, as you can see, there's not very much material to remove. We have completed the rough cutting of the pavilion mains. Our next step would be to take the 1200 lap and smooth out and fine-tune what we have done here.